Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to preview your WhatsApp status on your iPhone. To preview your WhatsApp status, open up your WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Tap on the Status tab at the bottom left. Now, where it says My Status on the screen, tap on the circle next to it. You'll get a list of all the status you have published within the last 24 hours. Any status published after that will disappear from the list. Next to each status, you'll see how many views you have got so far. If you have no views, then you'll see no views yet. To preview your status, tap on a status and it'll start to play. Once that is finished, it will be followed by the next status in the list. Once your status is finished, you'll be returned back to this page. And that is how to preview your WhatsApp status on your iPhone. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If this video was helpful, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.